Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve error 15 or 16, this request was blocked by security rules, then please stick on for the following solutions. So the first solution that comes to mind immediately is to check your internet speed. And how do you do that? By going to a site like fast.com that gives you your real-time internet speed. So if your internet is about 20 Mbps per second and is running at a good speed, then that shouldn't be a problem and shouldn't have been causing the error. So then what next? We look to sync the time and the date. So how do we do that? We right click on start, look for settings. Here we look for time and language. We click date and time and we make sure that these three tabs are turned on so that they are being able to sync the time and the date automatically. Then we press sync now and this should correct the problem. But if it doesn't, then we reset our browser. This is the same for Edge or Chrome or any other browser. So what we do is we press these three buttons on top. We look for settings. We look for reset settings, restore settings to their default values and reset. And this should correct the problem. Finally, if none of these are able to correct the error, then we disable the antivirus and firewall. But this is really the last dire step that we take. So, disabling the antivirus can cause a lot of issues with the computer, as such the firewall. But let me show you how do we disable the firewall. We look for Windows Defender Firewall and not this one with advanced security, only Windows Defender Firewall. Click it open. Go to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for the private network settings and also for the public network settings. You turn it off. Press OK and this should resolve the problem. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.